All right, today we're gonna bring a base for your actual umbrella. Now, out of the box, they give you the accessories you're required to tie it down. They give you an extra pole here, and this is removable in case you don't need this. But this is actually pretty good if you're gonna tie it up, if you have a thin umbrella. And now this base itself could be sand filled or water filled. We're gonna actually put water in it. Of course, they give you the caps in here, instructions step by step if you don't know how to use it, how to set it up in here. You could remove the cap if you don't need this. Okay, so today we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see how it looks, and we're gonna add an umbrella. This is the bottom of the base. They give you the Allen wrench so you could tighten it down, and this is so it won't come off, but you can always take it off if you lift the actual base itself. So permanently tied it down, I wouldn't do that because then you're gonna puncture some holes. So we're gonna keep it as is. We're gonna set it up. So we're gonna fill it up with water, the base itself, so it could be much easier to transport and remove the water instead of the sand. All right, there's the base now. We set it up with an umbrella here. Like I said, you could do two types of umbrellas. Right now we're gonna top it off with the actual cap. Now that we have the water, don't want it to spill anything, just make sure you put in the right amount of water in there. You can always drain it out too. These two are to fasten the actual umbrella. Like I said, two types of umbrella, you can do that. You can take out the cap. Very simple, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.